ET Service here. We're going to go through the proper procedure on doing a ZF transmission calibration. To begin, you'll want to crawl underneath the machine and find your park brake coil. On this particular model, it's going to be located on the junction manifold. We're going to unplug our park brake coil and make our way inside the machine and go through the rest of the procedure. Now that we're inside the cab, we will now swipe over in the 𝗪𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗹 display to our transmission tab. We'll select transmission, swipe over again. Here we will need to put in our code 2201. Now it's going to go through the steps of what it takes to do the calibration. To begin, we need to get our current transmission temperature up to 180 degrees. To do this, we will need to press our park brake switch, but since we have it unhooked from underneath, it will not release the park brake. We then will want to shift our machine into 6th gear. And once we are shifted into 6th gear, we will want to give it some throttle, about 15 to 1600 RPMs. We will let it sit there for a few seconds and then back off and let it rest, and do this several times until we get to 180 degrees. As you notice, we start to increase in temperature. Okay, now that you see that we've reached step 2, now it would like for us to reapply the park brake, and we want to make sure we idle the engine, and then we can select the begin button. At this point, the 𝗪𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗲 will then take over and start running the ZF transmission calibration. At this point, you do not have to do anything except for wait for the completion. You will feel the transmission shifting between different gears. That is normal. Now that we have all 3 check marks, we have now completed the calibration. You will then want to go back under and reinstall the plug that you removed earlier to your park brake coil, and then go run your Apache sprayer through all gears, verifying the calibration was successful. The reason for doing this calibration would be after doing a transmission service on your ZF transmission. Thank you.